Hello everybody. It's a pretty well known fact that when ERP systems were introduced or came as a concept, they were initially brought in to bring order to businesses, specifically to manufacturing sector. The services sector or IT industries as we call them were no longer existing at that point of time. Effectively, manufacturing bottlenecks were the first to be addressed with respect to IT systems or ERP systems in general. Initial days, these enterprise systems were primarily focused on large enterprises because let's say the fact that they are the only ones that could afford it. However, with growing advent of businesses across the globe, mid-market companies and manufacturing companies also intend to improve their manufacturing bottleneck and operations. And that is where ERP systems come into picture. In this particular video, we are going to compare and focus on which platform, Odoo or Oracle NetSuite, would be better suited as a manufacturing platform for our company. Choosing an ERP system for manufacturing, we also need to see where do we lie in the chain of the complexity of the system. We need to see what are we looking for with respect to production planning, controlling shop floor, automation, and what kind of scalability we are looking forward to. Now, what is the reason why ERP systems for manufacturing industries are so important? Because we have multiple locations, multiple warehouses, multiple bills of materials, multi-level bill of materials, complexity of production scheduling based on capacity, coordination in the shop floor with respect to movement of material, multi-plant operations, and most importantly supply chain disruptions because of various factors like war or economic uncertainty on the global level. An integrated ERP system for manufacturing can ensure that procurement, production, inventory, sales, finance all are integrated into one platform. As an advantage, you can also add plant maintenance and machine maintenance to the system also along with quality. This ensures that there are no manual handshakes between the departments, and this also reduces the lead time as well. We have two contenders here, Odoo and NetSuite, that we are going to compare. With respect to Odoo and Oracle, the positioning of market is quite different. Oracle primarily focuses on enterprise cloud-based ERP and is targeting large enterprises, while Odoo's manufacturing ERP is quite flexible and modular, which can target small, medium, and large-scale enterprises as well. Both offer a very detailed and comprehensive manufacturing features and capabilities, but they differ with respect to how costing is applied to its implementation, the complexity of implementation itself, and most importantly the scalability and the flexibility required or available with respect to different organizations. With respect to implementation time, Odoo scores far beyond NetSuite because of its less complexity and faster implementation. It scores with respect to time and hence giving faster return on investments. You will also be able to customize it much more rapidly and without stubbornness compared to NetSuite because it has a lot of structured configuration and a longer implementation cycle. So a faster deployment cycle for manufacturing of Odoo scores above NetSuite here. With respect to ownership and the total cost that is borne by the company, Odoo again scores over NetSuite. NetSuite has a lot of expenditures with respect to licenses, with respect to implementations, with respect to hosting, and of course upgradation over a period of time as your database grows. In case of Odoo, you will be able to easily predict and assume cost over a period of time. For a mid-sized company, the total cost of ownership is predictable and also manageable with respect to Odoo. In terms of shop floor control, mid-market companies primarily operate with individuals or executives who may not be computer friendly. So Odoo provides you the flexibility to use the system without these operators as part of the system or that means work at a high level or you can also go to the umbrella junior level where you can manage the things operator level as well. While NetSuite focuses on its processes and doesn't compromise on them, so the flexibility comparatively is less. So while both has features available with respect to shop floor, Odoo provides more visibility and flexibility to control them as per your business requirements. The flexibility in BOM is also one of the factors. While multi-level BOMs, flexibility to change the BOM for different variants, availability having alternate components are available. But a flexibility to customize Odoo BOM matters a lot for mid-scale companies. An example could be for an injection molding machine where the regrinded material is used, which is flexible in terms of percentages. This Odoo's BOM can be customized to suit the requirements. With respect to NetSuite, we have a heavy configuration overhead which burdens the user as well as the process as well. The scheduling is available in both the softwares, be it capacity planning, be it work center, be it operations, be it costing. But Odoo's scheduling tool visually is quite easy and simple to manage. That means a nascent user average with a basic level of training would be able to do production scheduling without much hassles. With respect to implementation and post-implementation support, you are heavily dependent on NetSuite's partner for customizations. While Odoo also requires partners to customize your system, but the dependency level is quite lower, which means at your end, if you are able to manage or have limited customization or configuration, then you can only require limited support from the partner and can have very little dependency on the partner. It also means that it allows the organization to retain more control over their system and of course decide on when to involve both of them. Scalability and growth is available and is part of the ecosystem of both the companies, but as explained in the various attributes above, Odoo will score higher for small and mid-scale companies. For large-scale companies, there may be a strong comparison between who is the best and is always contested. But for a company which is moving from small to large, Odoo will still reflect a better return in value. The deployment model and the vendor lock-in concern which is there in NetSuite goes away completely in case of Odoo. So while you have the capability to run cloud or on-premise as per your choice, you also have the capability to have choice of your own infrastructure at your end, and the vendor lock-in is also of very limited scale. The final verdict comes out in favor of Odoo, which allows us to have a faster implementation cycle, higher return on investment, effectively total lower cost of ownership, strong capabilities to manage the BOM, scheduling as well as the shop floor capability. An integrated system means that you are linked up with quality, maintenance, purchase, sales, inventory module. For growing manufacturers, this solution is quite scalable. For further information, you can connect with our team. Thank you very much.